live.
Okay, so we're gonna do a quick installation of the cover. Although it's extremely easy. So this is what comes in the package. You're gonna get the actual cover. You're gonna get one extra Velcro strips, and you're gonna get the self-tapping screws. So to install the first Velcro, it needs to be on the shelf. So it can be here or in the bottom. It just whatever you prefer the look of the cover to be. You can kind of hide it underneath it. I mean the insides of it, or on the outside. So I prefer on the outside. The second step is install another Velcro, which is included with the double-sided tape on top where the divide of your headliner and the rest of your cap is. So just follow this theme and follow this line. Install it. It's going to be adhesive, so double-sided adhesive. So it's just going to be install on directly, and then you can put the self-tapping screw to help the adhesive a little bit more. We include 8 of them, so just distribute them evenly throughout the length of it. And after that, we can go ahead and install the cover itself. So obviously, the zipper will indicate which one is the inside, which one's the outside. And we're just gonna go ahead and place the corresponding Velcro onto the top portion. And we're gonna do the same thing on the bottom. Might be a little bit easier if you remove the rod itself. Yeah, and that's pretty much it.